Hello. For those who don't know me, I am Ritali from Healing with Feeling. Have you ever wondered why fish appear so often in the suit of cups? Of course, cups belong to the element of water, but the fish carries a much deeper meaning. Across ancient spiritual traditions, water has represented life, creation, purification, mystery, emotions, and the unseen world. And the fish is the creature that moves freely through these hidden depths. In Hinduism, we have Matsya, the first avatar of Lord Vishnu, who appears as a fish to protect life and preserve sacred wisdom during the Great Flood. So, the fish becomes a symbol of divine protection, guidance, survival, wisdom, and renewal. In Christianity, the fish became an early symbol of faith and spiritual life and was associated with divine nourishment, abundance, and spiritual guidance. In Tibetan Buddhism, the golden fish are among the eight auspicious symbols representing freedom, happiness, fearlessness, fertility, and abundance. But there is another beautiful reason fish became connected with abundance. Fish produce large numbers of offspring and therefore became ancient symbols of fertility, multiplication, prosperity, and continuing life. Now, bring all of this back to tarot. Human beings live above the surface of water while fish live beneath it. Think of the surface as the conscious mind. The deeper water is the subconscious, and the fish represents everything living within those depths. Our emotions, our memories, our intuition, our dreams, and sometimes even the messages we have not yet consciously understood. This is why the Page of Cups is such a fascinating card. A fish unexpectedly rises from the page's cup. The cup is the emotional vessel, the water is the subconscious, and the fish is the message rising from within. It could be an unexpected emotion, a creative idea, an intuitive message, a romantic feeling, or a spiritual insight asking to be noticed. So remember this whenever you see a fish in tarot. The fish does not simply represent water, it represents what is alive beneath the water, the hidden wisdom of our emotional, intuitive, and subconscious world. And perhaps that is the real message of the Suit of Cups. Sometimes the most important answers are not found by thinking harder, they are found by listening to what is quietly swimming beneath the surface.